I have 4 Roblox practice projects made. I made 2 of them from scratch myself using my own brain, and the other 2 I used AI. The third one is made by ChatGPT, which I love, and the fourth one is by using the Roblox Assistant thingy. So I'm gonna have Sav look at all my projects and rate them. The twist is she does not know that AI even was involved at all. She just thinks I made them all. And she's gonna rank them, and we're gonna see not only is AI better than me, a human person, but also if the ChatGPT did better than the Roblox Assistant at Roblox scripting. So Sav, if you're watching this, comment down below your reaction because this is when you're finding out, and I wanna see your reaction when this video comes out. And yeah, be on the lookout for a comment. We'll see what happens. Sorry for finessing you like this. All right, let's see how this goes. Nice boots.
Thanks. So what are these boots?
You know how I'm really big on practicing to get better, right? Obviously.
Yeah.
And I've been focusing on physics. That's the first thing I want to focus on. I want to master physics in Roblox. So I made a lot of mini projects, and one of them are rocket boots.
I'm scared to click anything. How do I activate these rocket boots?
Press F.
Oh, hold it down?
Hold it down.
Oh, wait, maybe not that much.
You can go as high as you want.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yup.
You can keep going in the sky. Oh no, I am falling down. It's pretty cool.
It's fun, right?
Yeah. You could have made your boots a little cuter.
Hey, look, man. I had trouble making them fit on my thick legs. They're still poking out a little bit. You see that?
What are we doing here?
Press F.
Snowball?
A snowball, man.
Does it aim?
It aims at the mouse. What?
You just killed me.
It's a very strong snowball. You aim with the mouse. Where are you aiming? This never.
Your game is glitched. I was in first person.
Oh, wait. Let me try it first.
Okay, it's just me. I'm
I
just
think it's just you.
stupid.
Oh, whoa. I see.
No.
It happened to me.
Ah.
But yeah, I wanted to learn how to do like a little projectile thing. Just a simple one, based on the mouse's position. And look at this animation, bro. This animation.
You made that?
I made it, y'all.
Wow. It looks pretty good.
Let me see if you can guess what this is.
Oh, bowling?
Look over here.
Oh, I thought this was you.
That's not me.
What should I do?
Want to touch it?
Okay. Oh,
Let's go over here.
cool.
See how you do.
Okay. How does that work? I think you need to do some more practice.
I know.
Oh!
That was pretty good, but you did it 3 times.
Oh, my bad. Okay, I'll do it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, I'm screwed.
It's not on your mouse. This time it's based on like the way you're facing.
Oh, that makes sense.
I shouldn't have told you anything. You were doing fine before. I mean, if you're in first person, it doesn't matter. You want me to try?
Yeah, you try.
All right.
You'll probably do better than me. Bro!
Easy.
And you still missed that one.
Be quiet. Fine. I'll try for real. Oh, that's exactly what you did.
Okay, we're missing the part over here.
Let me try it. In first person.
Okay, you can get a spare.
Oh,
maybe not.
If you get a strike in those last 2, I'll make any game you want.
$50.
I don't have $50, but I'll make any game you want.
Okay. Bro, have to go. Here you go. That's the end of my bowling career.
I think this one will be your favorite.
Is it supposed to be in this perspective?
Yep.
What is happening?
I'm gonna let you figure it out. I'm gonna let you figure it out. Wait, go forward. Don't go. No, the other way. The other way.
Am I the ball?
You are the ball.
Oh, I was looking at myself. I'm still moving in there.
But you can't hold it down continuously. You have to like spam the key.
Oh, I can't move the camera.
You can't.
Okay.
Don't you like games like this? You like that Marvel game?
Oh, yeah, I like it.
Let's see if you can do the obstacle course.
What in the world? How'd you make this marble? Hey!
You gotta start over, man.
No.
What do you mean? Okay, if you can get out. We both control it though. I'm not touching anything though.
You can control it?
Yeah, I can control it. Who do you think stopped you from going off the edge when you were going back?
Oh.
That's why I put us in a little box so we don't walk off the base plate.
I like this one the best because
Okay.
it's pretty interactive. You can do stuff and we can play together, so that's pretty fun.
I thought you would like this one the best because you like the marble game. You used to tell me to play that with you. And
I
the
like
monkey
to
ball.
race.
You like the monkey ball.
Yeah, the marble game is based off the monkey ball game.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this. And I can see you are testing your camera or whatever, the point of view.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I like it. You did a
Yeah.
good job.
I definitely did. I definitely did.
Okay. Um, next, what?
Nothing. What's next?
Okay. Oh, next is the bowling.
Oh.
Well, I kind of glitched your bowling. Okay, next up with the rocket shoes. Rocket shoes second.
Okay. Wow.
That was pretty cool. I mean, who doesn't like to jump and go in the air? You did a good job.
True.
There can be some tweaks to it. Third, I'll put the bowling. That was nice, but like it's just bowling.
Yeah.
Obviously, you can put tweaks to that, curve it, do different stuff or whatever. But that was pretty cool too. I liked it. And lastly, I'll put your snowball. It was okay. I like your your animation was really good. I forgot about that. I'm a certified ranker.
Nice. So hopefully my physics skills are better now.
Yeah, I think you did a good job. This is good practice.
Okay, so wow, she put the one that the Roblox assistant put in first place. So she liked that one the best. And then she liked the rocket shoe second, which is the one I made. And then she put the bowling one in third, which is ChatGPT's one. And then finally the other one I made, which was the snowball system. I wonder if it had to do more with the execution of it or the idea. Because I think that the AIs had way better ideas than me. But I think I did the better execution, obviously, because they were my own ideas and I could perfect it exactly. And ChatGPT can't really. So yeah, there you go. AI might be better than me because she's an unbiased source and she said it was better than me. Let me know what you think. Do you think AI did better than me or if I did better? Let me know. And yeah, I look forward to Sav's reaction. I'm sorry for tricking you like this, but I wanted an unbiased result. I won't do it anymore today. See ya. God bless. What?
I'm still shaking in the air. I can't. Oh, I'm back. Does it aim?
It aims at the mouse. What?
You just killed me.
Mouse. Where are you aiming?
You,
This never.
your game is glitched. Okay. How does that work? I've broken everything you made, boy.
I know. I wouldn't be surprised if you break the last one too.
I think you need to do some more practice.
I know.
It's not what I was expecting. Not gonna lie, I was expecting some rinky-dink stuff, but this stuff was cool.
Rinky dink stuff like what?
I don't know. Rinky-dink.